Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjavan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. Pickles are an integral part of GSB cuisine. Our KKAJ blog has many Puddigallelle or dry pickles recipes like mango, gooseberries, lemon, hog plums. I have posted the links in the description below. Since they are not oily pickles and taste so good, I prefer these to oily ones. Here is a recipe for a bitter gourds pickle or Kaarate Puddigallelle. You can make this in two ways. One is sun-dried method and the other by roasting. So do watch both methods. Get fresh bitter gourds, wash them well and wipe dry. Cut and remove the seeds. Now chop them to this size, not too fine or too big. Apply about 2 tablespoons of salt for about half a kg of Kaarate. Mix well and keep aside. You can do this at night, leaving them salted overnight, so that the next day you can set them out to dry in the morning. The gourds would have let out a little water. Spread them out on a sheet or large plate to dry. After a sunny day, collect the pieces in a bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste and mix well. Cover and leave it overnight. The next morning, again spread out the pieces under the sun for the second day. Keep it again under the sun for a third day too if needed, since it depends on how hot your place is. Now let it cool for a day. Remember that the pieces should be dry and yet soft to touch. They should not be hard. If you are unable to sun dry, drop the salted ones in a thick bottom pan and let dry on a small flame. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil and continue roasting till it has lost its moisture content completely. Do take care to do this on a small flame so that the pieces remain soft. Always remember to dry your hands before handling the pickle to ensure long life for them. The next day, ready all the masalas and a sun-dried bottle. Chili powder, sasma pitto, which is equal measures of mustard and methi seeds, roasted separately and then powdered together. I always keep this in stock. Hing and sesame oil. For the sun-dried Kaarate, add about 1 tablespoon of oil in a kadai and then add the pieces. Stir for a few minutes so that they get warm. We should just warm them enough to make sure they have no moisture left. You can avoid this step if you have used the roasting method. Slightly heat about 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Switch off flame and then add about 50 grams of chili powder or as per your spice tolerance, along with 1 teaspoon hing into the oil. Stir quickly so that it gets roasted. Take care not to burn the spices. Remember, you have already salted the Kaarates, so mix only a very little salt if required and a little more than 1 tablespoon of the masala. Then add the Kaarate pieces. Mix thoroughly and transfer to the bottle, packing it tightly in without any gaps. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil in a kadai to a smoking point. Switch off flame and let cool completely. Now add the oil to the pickle. Tighten lid well and keep in a cool dry place. Your pickle is ready to use after a week, though it tastes best after a longer time. Do try this out. Happy pickling! For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.